Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your personal health with WellCare, complete guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your personal health with WellCare, start by evaluating your current health status. Take note of any chronic conditions, medications, or ongoing treatments you are currently experiencing. Next, identify your specific health goals. Decide if you want to focus on weight management, stress reduction, or enhancing overall wellness. Head to the WellCare website to explore available services and programs tailored to your needs. Review options such as wellness screenings, disease management, and nutrition counseling. Create an account to access personalized health resources and tools. Consider scheduling a consultation with a WellCare specialist to discuss your unique health goals. During this consultation, ask questions about programs best suited for your lifestyle and needs. Take advantage of any wellness assessments offered, which can provide insights into areas for improvement. Set a timeline for your health goals to keep you motivated and on track. Incorporate a balanced diet into your daily routine. Utilize WellCare's nutrition resources for meal planning and healthy eating tips. Start a regular exercise regimen that fits your schedule. Explore the fitness resources provided by WellCare, which may include workout plans tailored for different fitness levels. Monitor your progress consistently. Use WellCare's tools to track improvements, setbacks, and milestones along your health journey. Make adjustments as needed based on your progress. Engage in community activities or support groups to enhance your motivation. WellCare often hosts events and classes that provide opportunities for social interaction and learning. Don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for any questions or further assistance. Stay informed about any new programs or resources offered by WellCare through newsletters or notifications. Consistently revisit your health goals and refine them as your needs evolve. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small, as they contribute to your overall well-being. With dedicated effort and the resources from WellCare, upgrading your personal health is achievable. Stay committed to your health journey and enjoy the benefits that come with it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.